Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google image search. And in this video, I will show you on how to search by image in Google. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to this particular camera icon right here, search by image. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have drag and drop here or upload a file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload a file right here. And here I have to make sure I locate where I have the image I want to search for. So let's say, for instance, I want to search for this particular image right here. Select on the image, then go ahead and hit on open. Then in a few seconds, you have something like this. Now, one great thing here is that when you have the result, you also have an article that accompanies the result right here. So just like what you see right here. No matter type of the image you upload, you are getting something reasonable, and then you can see similar images of that particular exact image that you upload. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different reports based on the image, where they have been uploaded, how long you have been using the image, as the case may be. Then you can come to the top right here. Here, go ahead and click on exact match. This will give you the exact image that you upload, just like what you see right here. Now, this image here has been uploaded in different places, such as this Afro Soya Palace, and then starting Sobo Drink business with 5,000 naira. That's an article on Facebook, on Facebook, also on Facebook. So you can see all the places that this image have been used so far. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail about that particular image. You can go on and search more details about this. Let's say, for instance, I click on this particular link right here. It will take me to a page whereby this image has been used. Then you can see it is a Facebook. I will be asked to log into this. I'm interested to log in. Then we still have few information about it. This is the person that posts this image. And can I take it to at early stage of pregnancy, first semester? I have received this question countless times, but both online and offline, the answer is no. Why? Now listen, so we can go down and read detail. This is where this person here used this particular image to post on Facebook. So let's go back right here. So we can come to the top right here where we have the result right here. If it is a product image, go ahead and click on product. Then you see where you can buy it right here. So you can see it's a product image right here, and it is sold for 1,200. Then another place here use the same image. Then another place is here whereby you can buy it. So this one here is stock, buy palm kernel oil 100 grams. So this is another result, as the case may be. So you can click on visual match right there. So you have similar result as far as the image and about this image. Google is going to tell you everything about this image. Similar image are at least 5 years old on Google platform. So you can see them right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and use this particular method to track a particular person or to track a particular product using Google image search without any sweat. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.